Have you ever wondered what's happening right beneath your feet? Beneath every forest path, every garden, every stretch of farmland, there lies a hidden world, alive, intelligent, and ancient. A world where roots whisper to each other, where fungi form glowing highways of life, where tiny creatures work endlessly, turning death into new beginnings. It's a universe we rarely see, yet it feeds us, heals the planet, and sustains every living thing we know. This is the story of the soil, the heartbeat of the earth, the invisible network that connects us all. Welcome to Life Beneath the Soil. Life Beneath the Soil, the hidden world that sustains our planet. Part 1. The hidden world beneath our feet. When we look at the ground, most of us see just dirt. Silent, lifeless, ordinary. But beneath that thin layer of soil lies one of the most complex and vital ecosystems on Earth, a living, breathing universe that never sleeps. Soil isn't just dust or mud. Scientifically, it's a mixture of minerals, organic matter, water, air, and an astonishing variety of living organisms. In a single handful of healthy soil, there can be billions of microorganisms and thousands of tiny creatures, worms, mites, insects, and larvae, all working together in perfect harmony. This invisible world forms the foundation of every forest, every crop, and every breath of oxygen we take. Without it, life on land would simply not exist. Part 2. Earthworms, the silent engineers of the earth. Among the many inhabitants of this underground kingdom, one creature plays an extraordinary role, the earthworm. Scientists often call them ecosystem engineers. As they burrow through the soil, earthworms aerate and mix it, creating tunnels that allow air and water to flow freely. This helps plant roots breathe, absorb nutrients, and grow stronger. They also consume decaying leaves and organic matter, digesting and transforming it into castings, small pellets rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These castings act as natural fertilizer, improving the structure and fertility of the soil. In just 1 acre of healthy land, the total weight of earthworms can exceed 4,000 pounds. They quietly till the ground far more efficiently than any machine ever could, turning death and decay into new life. Part 3. Microorganisms, the microscopic builders of life. If we zoom into the soil under a microscope, we'll find a bustling metropolis of microscopic life. Bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, millions of species, most still undiscovered. These organisms are nature's recyclers. Every fallen leaf, every dead root, every trace of organic matter is broken down by microbes through decomposition, a process that releases essential nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus back into the soil. Some bacteria, such as Rhizobium, form partnerships with plant roots, fixing nitrogen directly from the atmosphere, a crucial process for building proteins in plants. Without these unseen workers, soil would turn sterile, and the green world above would collapse. Every fruit, every grain, every vegetable we eat is a gift from this invisible civilization beneath our feet. Part 4. Symbiosis, nature's hidden communication network. Soil isn't just a growing medium, it's a communication network. Plant roots constantly send out chemical signals, known as root exudates, to attract helpful microbes. In return, those microbes assist the plant in accessing water and nutrients that would otherwise be out of reach. One of the most fascinating relationships in this network is between plant roots and mycorrhizal fungi. These fungi form thread-like structures called hyphae that extend deep into the soil, vastly increasing a plant's ability to absorb minerals. In exchange, the fungi receive sugars produced through photosynthesis. Together, these networks form what scientists now call the Wood Wide Web, a vast underground internet connecting trees, shrubs, and plants. Through this web, older trees can send nutrients to younger ones, and plants can even send warning signals about drought or insect attacks. It's a living web of communication, a reminder that cooperation, not competition, sustains life on Earth. Part 5. When the soil dies. But this hidden world is under threat. Modern industrial agriculture, with its heavy use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and deep tilling, has disrupted and destroyed much of the life within the soil. Every time the earth is overplowed or sprayed, countless microbes and insects perish. The soil becomes compacted, lifeless, unable to hold water or sustain crops. According to the United Nations, the world loses a soccer field of fertile soil every 5 seconds due to erosion and degradation. If this continues, large parts of our farmland could become unproductive within a single human lifetime. When soil dies, the planet loses its ability to store carbon, releasing it instead into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, further accelerating climate change. Part 6. Regeneration, healing the earth from the ground up. Yet hope remains. Around the world, farmers and scientists are turning to regenerative agriculture, an approach that restores soil health rather than depleting it. Practices such as planting cover crops, reducing tillage, composting, and maintaining diverse ecosystems help rebuild organic matter and encourage microbial life to flourish again. Urban gardeners and households are also joining the movement, turning kitchen scraps into compost, feeding earthworms, and creating pockets of living soil in cities. Healthy soil doesn't just produce nutritious food, it also acts as a powerful carbon sink, absorbs rainwater, and protects biodiversity. By restoring the ground beneath us, we're healing the planet itself. Part 7. Remembering our connection to the earth. When we understand the science of soil, we realize something profound. Every handful of earth carries the memory of life, the remains of plants, animals, and microbes that came before us. It's not just a resource to exploit. It's a living system, an ancient archive of evolution, and the foundation of every civilization that ever existed. Respecting soil means respecting life itself, because the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the forests we admire all begin in the quiet darkness beneath our feet. Part 8. The beating heart of the planet. So the next time you walk barefoot on the ground, pause for a moment. Feel the pulse of the earth beneath you, a pulse made of millions of tiny lives working in perfect balance. Beneath the surface, life never stops. Even when the world above sleeps, the soil keeps breathing, growing, creating. Every worm, every root, every unseen microbe. They all remind us of something simple yet profound, that life depends on connection, and that the smallest things often hold the greatest power. So the next time you walk outside, pause for a moment. Feel the ground beneath you. You're standing on a living planet, and every step you take is supported by an entire universe beneath your feet. If this story opened your eyes to the hidden world below, help it reach others too. Like this video, share it with someone who loves nature, and subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the unseen beauty of Earth. Together, let's explore the wonders that lie just beneath the surface.